New from Carlisle and Finch is a powerful and sleek LED searchlight, the NightSTAR. Extremely small and compact, the NightSTAR is similar in size to the small standard searchlights currently on the market. But an abundance of features sets it clearly apart. The Searchlight is controlled by an aesthetic proportional speed joystick controller. Slip rings provide continuous 360-degree uninterrupted motion with no stop points. The main beam is over 1 million candle power and more than 4 times the intensity of similar-sized searchlights. A wide beam feature illuminates areas close to the vessel where the narrower main beam cannot service. The searchlight automatically returns to the center home position. A high-powered strobe provides a dizzying and disorienting effect, instantly transforming the searchlight into a non-lethal weapon. The beam will automatically sweep back and forth, and the range of sweep can be programmed by the user. A distress beacon feature commands the searchlight to rotate 360 degrees while sending out SOS signals during an emergency. And a TCP/IP Ethernet interface allows remote operation from a computer and integration with other navigation systems. The sleek joystick controller is the crown jewel of the system. It has fully proportional speed control, allowing it to ramp up to a rapid 40 degrees per second or ramp down to less than 1 degree per second. With an IP67 rating, the same joystick can be installed inside or outside in the weather. The beam on-off switch and the beam sweep switch are located on the head of the joystick, making the joystick multifunctional, which results in a single hand control. If there is more than one searchlight, the select switch allows the operator to select and control any of the searchlights on board. Indicator lights communicate to the operator which searchlight is being controlled. The strobe button instantly transforms the searchlight into a non-lethal weapon. The distress button is strategically located to instantly signal for help. The slow button reduces the range of speed, allowing the operator to much more precisely pinpoint targets. And the wide beam is used for a wide range of functions. Let's consider some critical wide beam applications. The narrower main beam projects far out into the night, but does not illuminate key areas closer to the vessel. However, the wide beam casts a wall of light, a distance of 187 meters and 83 meters wide, illuminating strategic areas where the narrower main beam cannot service. The wide beam is especially beneficial for search and rescue, an application all vessels must be able to perform. The main beam is designed for long distances and therefore has difficulty finding a swimmer at close range. But the wide beam projects a wall of light nearly as wide as a football field and quickly locates the swimmer. The wide beam is especially strategic for vessel interdiction. The main beam illuminates only a portion of the vessel at short range. This allows unseen danger to go unnoticed. But the wide beam engulfs the entire vessel with light. The strobe will disorient and strategically deny the night vision of the intruder. The wide beam is also beneficial for docking, spotting debris in the water, and a whole host of other functions. The wiring and installation is straightforward and simple. The searchlight is powered from either 12 or 24 volts DC and ships with a 4.5 meter factory-supplied power cable. The installer provides a Cat5 or Cat6 network cable. And using RJ45 connectors, one end plugs into the searchlight and one end plugs into the controller. If a second controller is required, a small junction box is provided with RJ45 receptacles. If a second searchlight is on board, it plugs into the small junction box, allowing any joystick to select any searchlight on board. And a gateway box can be plugged into the junction box, which allows a TCP/IP connection to other systems, such as the Time Zero Professional Navigator software. Carlisle and Finch's SmartView control software has been integrated with the Time Zero navigation and coastal monitoring software. This allows the Searchlight to automatically find radar targets and remain locked on them. And targets on electronic charts can also be located and viewed in the same manner. AIS targeting and tracking can also be achieved. When the GPS Man Overboard feature is used, the Searchlight will automatically aim towards those GPS coordinates so that the captain can intuitively follow the beam to help find the swimmer in the dark. Since the NightSTAR is compatible with the SmartView platform, it is also compatible with all other Carlisle and Finch Searchlight products. Therefore, the NightSTAR can plug into any existing Carlisle and Finch SmartView network. This allows the NightSTAR joystick to control all the other searchlights in the network, and the existing joysticks can control the NightSTAR searchlight as well. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future.